G'day, here's a piece of Boulder Opal from central Queensland, outback Australia. Rules in millimetres, and the material's been wetted. This piece has basically got one main bar of colour in it, which is running across there. Because it's been sawn, the water's reflecting off it a bit, I think. You can see the reds and greens showing through here. And as you can see, it goes right round. To give you an idea of the size of that, that's 40mm long, 30 again. There's another bit of colour bar down there, but it's not so vibrant. But you never know, it can open up into something. There's nothing else in it, but even the stones, nice patterns. If that was agate, everybody would be cutting it just for the pattern. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed. Cheers. There's another customer.